Good morning students. Welcome in maths class again. Me Nitin Agrawal. Yesterday we have discussed about the coordinates, abscissa, axis and many other things. And in previous video we have already discussed that the location of the points on graph paper. Today we will continue this process and locate the points on graph paper. Just see on the board. Question number 1. Locate the following points on graph paper. Here you are seeing a table in which x and y coordinates are given. First coordinate is -1, 3. This is the graph paper. In this x-axis and y-axis. This is origin point. We are taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on x-axis. Positive to right side, same as negative to left side, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, same as positive on upper side and negative on the down side. You know very well, when we want to locate any point on graph paper, then we will mark value of abscissa or x-axis first and then value of coordinate or y later. So let us write the first point, that is -1 on x-axis. So because of negative sign, it should be left side. -1, 0, -1 here, right? And then value of coordinate or y is 3. It is positive, so it is upper side. Just see, after getting -1 here, just move to upward direction. 3 points, 1, 2, 3. This is the location of this point, -1, 3. -1, 3. Right? In second quadrant, yesterday we have discussed this, minus and plus sign lies in the second quadrant. Okay? Now, point number 2, that is 2, -1. What is 2, -1? Here, value of x is 2. So, move it on positive direction of x-axis. That is origin. As you know, we have 1, 2. We are on this point 2 and -1. You know, -1, it is on down side. -1 here. So the position of 2, -1 is in quadrant number 4. You can check it also. Positive and negative sign. Positive and negative lies in 4th quadrant. Now, take this third point. -2, -3. Both are having negative sign. -2 and -3. So locate left side from the origin, -2, and y -3. It is downside of the origin. So -2, it is -1, -2, and then -3. Now down to origin, just below -2, -1, -2, -3. This is the position of -2, -3. Just see -x and -y in third quadrant, right? Okay, next point is 3 and 4. The point 3, 4, both the numbers are having positive sign, 3 and 4. So move to right side for 3 and 4 upside. So 1, 2, 3 on positive side of x-axis. After coming here, move to upside point 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are on this point 3, 4. Is it clear? Okay. Next point is 0 and 3. Value of x is 0 and value of y is 3. So because of 0, we will not move right or left. We will stay on our origin on x-axis. Here, this is our origin. Now 0 and then value of y is 3. Because of positive sign, you have to move upward. 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 3. That is clear? 0, 3. Okay. I told you before that the value of x is 0. Then point lies on y-axis. Where? Y-axis. Clear? Okay. Next, -3, 0. The point value of y is 0 here. So in which value of y is 0, then it lies on x-axis. -3, it should be on the left side of x. -1, -2, -3, and not move in upward and downward direction. So -3, 0. This is the location of this point, -3, 0 on x-axis. Okay. Now 3, 4 lies in first quadrant, -2 and -3 in third quadrant, 2, -1 here in fourth quadrant, and -1, 3 is in second quadrant, right? So this is your graph. You have to note it in your graph paper, make it clearly, and after locate this point on graph paper, you have to paste in your notebook of exercise 3.2 right there. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Okay. Now next, question number 2. Now question number 2. Here you are seeing a graph paper on the board. In this reddish line you are seeing on the board, that is x-axis, and this reddish line indicates the y-axis, right? And some points that are marked here. This is point L in first quadrant, point M in second quadrant. Point P, Q, N and O. These are the location of the points that are already given in the graph. Now you are asking some questions. The questions are: number 1, abscissa of L, abscissa of point L. Just see L. You know abscissa, value of L, that is abscissa, right? So value of x, so just construct a perpendicular line from point L. Just see like this here. So where it meet on x-axis? Can you tell me the distance here? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the distance of L from origin on x-axis is 7 units. So we can say the value of abscissa of L is 7. No need to write the complete coordinate like a 7 comma this. No need. Only write the value of x, point x here if the question is only abscissa. Now come to question number 2, that is ordinate of point M. First you have to search where is the point M. Here this is point M, right? So you are asking ordinate, so just make the perpendicular lines of point M from both the axes, this and this. Now ordinate is the perpendicular distance of the point from y-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So on x-axis the distance is -5, it is the value of abscissa, and on y-axis it is 8 unit. So its ordinate of M is 8, right? Now next, number 3, that is coordinate of point P. Now see, where is point P? This is point P. So we have to write the coordinate, the value of x as well as the value of y. So make the perpendicular lines. One is this and one is this. Now this is the location of point P. I constructed here the two perpendicular lines from both the axes. So it is our origin. For reaching this point, first we have to move left side on x-axis. How much distance? -1, -2, -3. Right. So first -3. Always we write here the value of x first, and then the distance on downside, that is -1, -2. Okay. -3, -2. This is the coordinate of point P. Right? Now, question number 4. The question is ordinate of O. So first, see in this graph where is point O. That is, yes, you get it? This is our point O. So our first work is same. Make the two perpendicular lines on both the axes. This line on x-axis and this one on the y-axis. Okay. Now count it. First, measure the distance on x-axis of perpendicular line. It is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So distance is 3 on x-axis. We write it first and then calculate it on y-axis. 1, 2. It is both positive sign. You know very well why are we taking here positive signs? Because these point lies in the first quadrant, positive x and positive y. Now see the last one part of this question. Okay, just see students. It is the coordinate. It is not the ordinate. It is coordinate of point O. Right? Now fifth one is coordinate of n. Right? What is coordinate of n? Say this. It is our point n. Right? Point number n. So make the perpendicular lines. These are two perpendicular lines from point n to both the axes. Now question is find the coordinate. So you have to write the value of x and value of y also. First we will write the value of x. So measure it on x-axis, the distance of this perpendicular line from the origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is at 6 unit distance. So write it here 6, comma. Now count the distance of y-axis and take the negative sign if point is below the origin. So -1, -2. Write it here -2. So 6, -2 is the coordinate of point n. Is it clear? Now see once again, abscissa of L. This is point L. Abscissa means value of x. So we construct a line here perpendicular to x-axis and measure the distance from the origin. It is 7 unit. So we write the answer 7 unit. Next is ordinate of m. Ordinate means value of y. So see this point m and its ordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 unit. Okay, next coordinate of p. This is point P. Coordinate means both values x and y. So first we write x -3 and then -2. -3, -2. And fourth question is coordinate of O. The point O is here in first quadrant. So perpendicular distance this 3 unit and here 2 unit. So point is 3, 2. And then fifth one, coordinate of n. This is our point n. It lies in fourth quadrant. The value of x is 6 unit and downside -2. So coordinate is 6, -2. Right? So this is your question number 2 of exercise 3.2. You will write it in your notebook. Paste the graph in your copy. Take a small piece of graph paper, mark the point as you are seeing here and then paste it in your copy. Write the question and answers. Okay? And you were sending some notes today. of this chapter. You will write the notes before the exercise 3.2, just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, see you students, goodbye.